Okay friends, so I want you to watch this video very carefully because in this video I am going to give you a proper knowledge on how you can make maximum of your trades right by using your conscious mind while trading binary options. See, if you know some strategy and if you just depend on that strategy and don't think much while trading and you don't change the strategy in real time while trading, then you may keep on suffering loss for lifelong. So I would request you to watch this video properly because I want to give you my mindset in this video so that you can implement it while you are trading in the real time. Okay, and we'll talk about one of the strategy that we use while doing VIP copy trading in my VIP Telegram channel. I have two Telegram channel. In one Telegram channel, I provide free signals which you can trade manually, and in another channel, that is VIP copy trading channel, and in that VIP copy trading channel, we use the social trading feature of pocket option to copy my trades directly to my VIP copy traders. Okay, I make trade here and it is automatically copied to their account. And if you want to get some free signals, then you can join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then you can join VIP copy trading channel, and all the details to join VIP copy trading channel is given in the free Telegram channel. So now without doing any delay, let's talk about the strategy and the right move that you need to take to make maximum of your trades right. And I'm also going to show you by making few trades, okay, in real time, and you'll understand it in a better way, okay, the things that I'm going to explain you right now. So firstly, we'll talk about the parabolic SAR strategy, which is the simplest strategy that can help you to make maximum of your trades right. And for this, you just need to set up this candle to S30 and then just click on here and implement this parabolic SAR indicator. You don't need to make any change to this setting, okay, and then just click on here, okay, make it, if it is flag, make it clock and just select S30, and then again make it flag, okay, and select plus S30, okay, and then decide the amount that you want to invest here and put all of this currency pair that has like 92% payout, okay, make it yellow, and all of this currency pair will appear at here. Now the simple concept of this parabolic SAR indicator is like, if the candles are forming above this parabolic SAR dot, then that means market is in uptrend, and if the candles are forming below the parabolic SAR dot, then market is falling down, right? Now the strategy that we used to do with parabolic SAR is like, whenever the second dot forms, then we make trade by clicking on lower. If the candles are forming below the SAR dots, and if the second dot forms, at that time we make trade by clicking on lower, okay. And another is, if these candles are forming above this parabolic SAR dot, then that is an uptrend, and whenever the second dot appears, we make trade by clicking on higher. So this is the basic strategy, right? Now what happens is, whenever you go to trade in real time, every time this strategy doesn't work. No any strategy can work for the 100% of the time, but what you can do is, you don't make any trades, you just find the points whenever these two dots are forming, okay, either this kind of dot or this dot, and see where exactly the market is going. See for 4-5 currency pair, okay, and if you see a pattern like whenever this second dot is forming and market is going down, okay, above these candles, whenever second dot is forming, if market is going down and lower trade is becoming right in 4-5 different chart, then you can make a trade in fifth chart or fourth chart. You can make trade by clicking on lower, and most probably you are going to be right in that trade. Similarly, if you see on chart, like if market is going up whenever this second dot is forming, okay, whenever the candles are above this parabolic SAR dot and second dot is forming and market is going up, then you can see in 2-3 charts, okay, and if you feel confident that yes, market is totally respecting this strategy right now in real time, then you can make trade by clicking on higher. Now what if market is not respecting this simple strategy, and whenever this dot is forming and market is going in upward direction, and whenever this dot is forming, market is going in downward direction? You just see the pattern in both type of format, okay, in different charts. And if it is not respecting again and again, then what you can do is whenever this second dot forms, then you can make trade by clicking on higher at here, okay, in opposite direction. That means normally we would trade by clicking on lower if this second dot form, but now you will make trade by clicking on higher, because lots of chart is showing the indication that this market is not respecting this exact strategy in the real time. Similarly, in here also, whenever second dot is forming, then you can make trade by clicking on lower if the market is not respecting this simple strategy. And I will show you the real example by making some trades, okay. So keep on watching this video. Now another thing, just like I told you previously, whenever these candles are forming and parabolic SAR dot are above these candles, then that means a downtrend. But again, you can notice, okay, if it is not going on the downtrend whenever these dots are forming, okay, again and again in different charts, then you can also make trade by clicking on higher, okay. Similarly, if parabolic SR dot are forming below these candles and market is not going above, okay, and that in that condition also you can make trade by clicking on lower. For that you need to become like what I can say, lion, or searching for the prey, okay. Like you need to identify the pattern, what exactly market is doing at the real time, and go with that flow, okay. So now what I will do is, to make you more clear, I'll stop talking and I'll show you the exact video that I have made some trade, okay, and I have reached up to this $93.30 from certain amount of dollar, okay. So watch this video very carefully and please do like this video, okay. My only focus is to train you, to give you the right knowledge so that you can make maximum of your trades, right, okay. In binary options trading, nothing matters, not any strategy, not any indicator, only the thing that matter is making trades right. And that is what I am trying to give you with my years of experience and knowledge, okay. So please do like this video to support me, and do comment below if you have any question, or if you can appreciate something, that would also be better, okay. So now I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video. Watch this video very carefully.